All right, this is at the Celadon Beach Resort. Got the parking elevator here. And maybe it's glass?
Yeah. You talking to her? Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Of course. It's not glass. They could have made it glass. But we'll ride it anyway.
Fourth floor, going down.
Look at that. Must be like a water park in there. And there's some tall towers here, so we're gonna film them all. Hey, whoa. I don't wanna lose it. I like the blue lanterns though. The blue fixtures are nice. I might just end it if there's people waiting. I'm just gonna because I got
First floor, going up.